Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Matt Stonie channel analytics. He has uploaded 373 videos. He now has 13.8 million subscribers with a total view of 2,695,987,323 views. He's from US. And his channel type is entertainment. He created his channel since August 24, 2012. The grade he got is A-. And he ranked at 185th in US and 149th in entertainment. Next, the daily subs for Matt is around 6.66k with a daily view of 1,588,618. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 1,600,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $6,400. Then, monthly income will be $192,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $105,600 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $1,267,200. That is how much Matt Stonie earns from YouTube.